Assisted living firm Red Crown Senior Living was fined for illegal employment practices. Red Crowns was found to have circumvented local requirements on foreign worker levies, says Mom. Red Crown Senior Living has been fined after the Ministry of Manpower found that the company had engaged in illegal employment practices. The assisted co-living agency illegally hired and deployed migrant domestic workers to provide caregiving services, allowing it to circumvent its foreign manpower quota and pay lower levy rates, the ministry told CNA on April 1, 2024. Red Crowns had also placed legal responsibilities on their elderly clients, who employed migrant domestic workers but did not have control over their work and welfare, Mom added. The company and its directors have been issued composition fines for offenses under the Employment of Foreign Manpower Act, the ministry said, without mentioning the exact amount fined. A composition fine can be used to settle an offense that has been compounded, which means that no further action will be taken against the offender. The Employment of Foreign Manpower Act states that offenses under the Act can be compounded by accepting a sum not exceeding $5,000 or half of the maximum fine for the offense, whichever is lower. But according to Mom's website, the penalty for contravening any condition of a work pass or contravening any regulatory condition of a work pass is $10,000. Mom said that Red Crowns has since corrected its operating model while continuing to care for existing clients and is now part of a government pilot project to explore new models of care for Singapore's aging population. Under the Shared Stay and Senior Care Services sandbox, the migrant domestic workers who served as caregivers have been converted to work permit holders directly hired by Red Crowns, Mom said. The legal responsibilities for these workers now fall on the company, rather than its clients. As part of the sandbox, participating companies are supported through foreign manpower quota concessions, and Mom's spokesperson told CNA. The assisted living company is subjected to levy rates of between $300 and $800 per work permit holder, similar to that of any other services company. Red Crown's founder Joshua Goh previously told CNA that it could not hire staff under the S-Pass or work permit because it does not have enough staff who are citizens or permanent residents. For example, at the moment there are 60 over-caregivers among our 33 homes. They are all foreigners, but we don't have so many Singaporean staff to hire so many of them, he said last year. Mom said Red Crown's participation in the sandbox will depend on whether it complies with prevailing regulations. The company remains liable for the offenses committed under its previous illegal operating model. Red Crown senior clients were the registered employers of migrant domestic workers who cared for them, but the company controlled the workers' key employment terms and deployment.